Hello and welcome back to my channel, Sean Opinions and Reviews. If you're watching my channel, thank you for watching my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of the Bossman brand's Big Boss facial care package. I got it today in the mail and I used it earlier. I'm gonna start off by talking about the beard, hair, and body soap. Now you can use this on your body, your beard, and your hair. And I used it earlier, and as you can see, it had the Bossman logo on there until I took a shower. And you get 4.5 ounces for 10 bucks. That's the price it has on the website. It smells great. It smells like it has like an outdoorsy type scent. And with me, I'm trying to kind of go away from using commercial soaps and stuff. So it smells great. It lathers up good. What are some of the ingredients? Sunflower, coconut, palm, organic cacao powder, organic plantain leaf powder, charcoal powder, organic shea butter, organic coconut oil. Essential scent is geranium, lavender, vanilla, rosemary, and patchouli. I recommend this soap for anybody who's trying to kind of go more in the natural route. The price point is 10 bucks, but I got this in the package, so. But in terms of the price, it's kind of steep to me, especially for getting 4.5 ounces. So I recommend the soap. The soap smells great. I recommend it. But for the price, the price is kind of steep, especially for the working person, common working person. Now I'm going to review is the 4-5 Intense Beard Conditioner. Now, and it's the magic scent. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna end up using this more than what it says on the directions. It says use it twice a week, but I'm gonna end up using it more than twice a week because I have to co-wash my beard because my beard is very curly and it dries up a lot. So I'm gonna end up using this more than twice a week. But the scent is the magic scent, and what is the essential oils? The essential is sandalwood, vanillin, bergamot, frankincense, and patchouli. And you can, if I probably, hopefully, you focus. And I highly recommend this. It smells great. It has like the cologne type scent, but it's not super strong. It's not like, how you have that one person that wears cologne and they wear too much of it and you can smell them a mile away. It's nothing like that. It's real subtle. But it has like a good scent, masculine cologne type feel to it. Next on the list is the Bossman beard jelly. I've been hearing so many good things about the beard jelly, and what are some of these? Let's see, vanillin, sandalwood, bergamot, frankincense, and patchouli is the scent. And what's the consistency? The consistency is real thick, and I'm still trying to figure out how they got beeswax and shea butter to get to that consistency to make it to where it's so thick that it stays on your hand like that. Like, see how thick that is? And you could do the damn Dairy Queen blizzard test with this. Like, look how thick that stuff is. It don't even, just rub it in your beard. I put some in earlier, but it doesn't hurt to put some more, keep it moisturized. It smells great. It has like a cologne type feel to it. It's a good, it's good to wear if you're going on a date night or something like that. And you can wear it every day, really. I mean, put it on my elbows if I have to. But I highly recommend the beard jelly. This would probably be good for like a nighttime routine where you getting ready to do your routine, and you get ready for bed and you need something that's going to last throughout the night. This would be good for a nighttime routine. And next on the list is the Bossman Relaxing Beard Balm. It's the same scent, magic scent, and I used some earlier, as you can see, and it's the same scent as the beard oil. Where is it at? Vanillin, sandalwood, bergamot, frankincense, and cedarwood and patchouli is the scent. And it has that cologne type scent to it. You put them two together and, I mean, it smells real nice. I like it. And next on the list is the Bossman mustache. To be honest, I've never used like mustache wax before because I normally trim my mustache, but now on this journey I'm trying to really see how long I can go without trimming my beard. But I can see myself using this because I have to trim my mustache now because it's growing downward and over my lip, and whenever I eat anything it gets all up in there, and so I can see myself using this product. But I'm not gonna like end up curling it up like some damn, because if I curl up my mustache I end up looking like a villain, to be honest. So but yeah, I mean, some of the ingredients are, you know, water, beeswax, coconut oil, you know, some of the basic ingredients. But I could see myself using this to tame my mustache because it's getting pretty bad, like as you can see. But what else is on the list? I also got this beard brush, and it has the logo, as you can see. And I can see myself using this, and it has like the bristles are nylon and boar bristle. But this is kind of really, my beard's not really that long yet. I mean, I can use it like right now, but, and the thing about it is you don't have to be like super rough with your beard, you know, be real soft. Just, you know, guide it through the beard. Yeah, you ain't gotta be super rough with it. I can see, you know, like a person with a longer beard using this. I have like a couple brushes anyway, but I'm gonna end up using this probably in the near future as my beard grows. So I recommend this brush. What else do I have up in here that I got? Also got this metal comb, if I can get it out. And it came in this nice little package right here that you can carry around with, you know. I would recommend this, but I don't know how people feel about metal picks and combs and stuff and what they use on their beard. You know, you kind of want to be, but I mean, it glides through the beard pretty nice. I can see myself using this. I mean, but I don't know how people feel about using metal picks and stuff on their, you know, their beard and stuff. So, and what else is on the list? Last but not least, I went ahead and bought some of the Rooster Booster hair and beard supplement. To be honest with you, I'm not going to sit up here and bash, you know, growth vitamins or any of that, because like I said, it when you take a whole bunch of supplements and vitamins and stuff, it's all depending on what the body can absorb. If the body can absorb, you know, what you're taking, then, you know, so be it. But I'm not going to sit up here and say that it's a gimmick, or, you know, you shouldn't buy them, because you can compare this to your normal like vitamin. Just take your, you know, look at your multivitamin you're taking now and buy you a growth vitamin. And this was only $20. Like all together with the beard kit that I paid $70 for everything. And you know, this runs for $15. This runs for $15. This runs for, I forgot how much this runs for, but I didn't check. But the beard package that I got was all together $60, and it normally is $100. So, and what else do I have up in there? I think that's it. I got what I got. But if you're looking to purchase the package, you can go directly to the website. I'm gonna post a link down below, or you can get the stuff off of Amazon. I'm gonna post a link to that too. To be honest, the stuff on Amazon is a little bit cheaper, but the package I got, you can only get it off Bossman. So if you're looking to purchase, I'm gonna post the links down below. I highly recommend the product. To be honest, it smells great. I mean, it in beard jelly. This is like, I've never, beard jelly, beard oil. This is a first for me. I mean, I've heard great things about this product. It smells great. It kind of made me wish I would have picked up some more of the other beard oils, to be honest, and the balms. But I'm probably gonna end up doing that anyway in the future. But I highly recommend the product. I highly recommend the brand. Stephen Condon, he's a pretty good owner. You know, he's down in Austin, Texas, and yeah, he's a beardsman as well, so he kind of knows what it takes to grow a beard. So I highly recommend the product. And hey, I'm gonna leave links down below if you want to check out his website. And he also has a YouTube page. You can check out his like regimen and how he grooms his beard and stuff. And I highly recommend the product. And with that said, I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.